Hi guys, today let's make herb garlic French rackoflamb. It's easy to make but delicious. First, let's prepare the herbs. We need 1 long stem of fresh rosemary. Finely chop the rosemary. Then we need fresh thyme, about 10 stems. Hold one stem and push the thyme down, then you can get out of them easily. Finally chop the thyme. That's done. And now we need 1 whole garlic. Finely chop. Mince the garlic. Place all the garlic and herbs in a bowl. 1 whole garlic is about 4 tablespoons. 10 stems of thyme is about 2 tablespoons. 1 long stem of rosemary is about a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon dried oregano. 1/4 cup of olive oil. Mix them together. Okay, that's the rub. And now we need lamb. Season the lamb with kosher salt. Season it everywhere like that. Also, we need some pepper. Now rub the herb garlic mixture on each rack of lamb. Use your hand. Spread them evenly and gently press them down. Make sure you cover the entire lamb with the rub. Okay, I'm all done, and look at that. Aren't they look already delicious? And this is it. How easy is it? It literally takes under 10 minutes to prepare. All you need to do now is just cover them and put it in a refrigerator. You can marinate for an overnight or a few hours before you need. And later, just throw them into the oven. This is a great meal if you have a guest over or a special dinner night for your family. It takes only 10 minutes to prepare. Roast the lamb at 450 for 25 minutes for medium rare, 30 minutes for medium. My family likes medium rare, so I'm gonna roast the lamb for 25 minutes. My oven beeped, so I'm gonna take the lamb out. Oh, I love the sizzle. Place the roasting pan on a safe place and cover them. Rest the lamb for about 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, looks so good. It's gorgeous. Let's check the inside. Yes, perfect pink. Let's cut them all. Oh, I can't wait to eat that herb garlic crust outside, juicy and tender inside. They are just heavenly delicious. Enjoy the lamb with roasted bits with a balsamic dressing salad. They are perfect together. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family. I will see you in next video.